Hello everyone, I at 0386SX, and we have two things that are different. I'll give you bonus points if you can identify one of the two things. But today, the first thing in focus is going to be the thing in the box here. Which, it does say what it is. It says it's an AC adapter, so cat's already out of the bag. But this actually came from Computer Reset. I did not drive to Texas or go to Computer Reset itself. In fact, I've hardly left the county of which I live in. I'm going to say which one because, well, I respect my privacy. So let's see. These guys landed on eBay the other day. It's a Virgin. Whoever had it, I don't remember the guy's name or lady or gentleman's name, but they did a real good job packaging this. Compaq, not so much, but this thing was surrounded in more bubble wrap than anything that I've gotten in a while. But it comes with a thick instruction booklet. The power cord is a little bit aged. That's kind of interesting considering that this thing is new in box, or, well, it's new old stock, but you get the idea. Then we get to the power brick itself. Nice plastic. Let's open this puppy up. Beautiful. There it is. It is a real Compaq LTE 5000 series AC adapter. So, now the real question is, does it actually power on a computer? Does it actually charge a battery? Let's find out. And my little workstation here is in disarray, so it's going to take a little bit for me to find things and finagle things. And I don't know what happened to this. Almost like it started burning, but yeah, it's never been opened, so who knows? Maybe it was in the sun or something and got a little hot down here in Texas. I believe Computer Reset was in Texas. God, I can't believe that I got one of these brand new in the year 2022. I really can't. Oh, new old stock. But we have one. Clicks. Turns the computer on just fine. Now the real test. I don't know if this battery is fully charged or not, so we'll have to see. And there it is. Powered on the machine. No secrets about this guy. And right now the battery is 81% charged. I'm going to assume that it is going to charge the battery just fine. So that is pretty much it. I mean, it's an AC adapter. It was new old stock, now going to be used for the first time in 2022. So Always, if you have any questions or comments or constructive criticism, as always, feel free to leave them in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching.